notice how much extra skin you have. Carlos. Carlos. Skin. Oh, look at you. So don't say much skin. No, the other one. Go like this. Carlos, don't suck in like that. Look at me though. Like,
I don't have a lie. I lost weight.
You still have skin. Now stretch it out and see how long you how much your face is.
Oh, that's supposed to be.
Tommy? Tommy has a lot.
But every guy has less skin. Like, that's too much. Like, it was like, chop it off.
That's too much. What is this about? Gosh, Daddy, they're not paying for nothing.
What are you talking about?
You can pay us. You should pay us.
He bought us our food.
Yeah.
Like twice today.
I feed dinner too.
Hey, you're so loud, it's gonna blow up shit.
I'm gonna laugh at that. That's just breaks.
Let's put it next to it.
Hey, try the big one. No, really, though. Try it. Oh my god, it is so embarrassing to break.
It wants to, you see it?
Do it again.
It really wants to. It's shaking.
Carlos,
That's why I was
don't
doing
do
it.
it.
Which one was shaking? I feel like you're gonna break it.
Okay, I'm gonna go. I don't want no glass in my eye.
You see it?
I don't
It's
see
shaking.
it.
It's like,
Okay, do it again, do it again.
watch.
Okay, that sounds bad
You
now.
know what? That reminds me of Matilda. You know what I'm talking about?
What?
When she's like, glass.
Alright, somebody can get this girl.
Remember, who's trying to be the glass tipper?
Where's she going? That's too fast.
She comes in, just be like, you're fired.
Probably watching this.
Oh.
Probably make some money tomorrow, actually.
What the fuck? So, what exactly is the menu you guys are having?
Lasagna.
Pasta.
Pasta?
Lasagna,
What kind of
pasta.
Like regular pasta?
No, some
Fettuccine?
sort of Alfredo, but not fettuccine.
Good, I don't like it.
And
What's Alfredo mean?
it's the sauce
Hold on,
from the
let me tell you-
fettuccine.
let me tell you the real stuff,
Okay, exactly. Fettuccine Alfredo.
No, but she said it came with something else.
Safe one.
You know, Alfredo is a
Lasagna.
pasta. Fettuccine is a
Oh,
sauce.
I got
Yeah.
talking.
What did you say? I didn't hear what you said. I didn't notice you talking.
We go with the safe one. And lasagna for the two main dishes.
Okay.
And we have bagel bites.
Bagel bite?
Cheese.
Yeah, little piece of bite things.
Oh, those are good.
Cheese and pepperoni.
What? That shit crazy.
Some pasta.
There's fruit salad.
Oh.
There's Caesar salad and fruit salad.
Yeah.
Yeah. I'm definitely not eating all week next week. I mean, the week that it comes. I'm definitely not eating.
I thought she was coming.
Anyways, not gonna eat like that whole week. Wait, next week? No.
Dang, next week is the week before your wedding.
Oh my gosh, girl, that's the last day you're single. I mean, that's the last.
Technically,
Okay, you need to stop digging your digging your finger in the water.
Two fingers.
Blah. Don't ever make that face again at TV. Okay, actually you're singing, like it's coming out of your voice. No.
it's really dark. I can't even just see your face. It's like the sun makes it all right here.
You gotta put the sad face and stuff.
Hey, Carlos, put each cup a different amount of water so it makes different noise.
Alright, you just look crazy.
Okay, we need to go.
I'm retired.
Let's go. Let's go.
Where's this girl?